AudioJungle.
Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you about how to create YouTube channel. Most of the people ask me about how to create YouTube channel. First of all, you need to open your web browser and go through the youtube.com. Then sign in. I choose my Google account. Then settings. Then you can see create a channel. You can create your channel from here. You have to choose a name for that. I choose no copyright music. Create. Then you have to verify your account by providing a phone number. Continue. Channel created. You can see your channels from YouTube Studio. You can see the dashboard on YouTube from here. Thousand subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for applying for monetization. Then you can earn money from the YouTube. You have to upload channel cover and profile. You can upload it here. And your profile picture should be 98 by 98 pixels and less than 4 megabytes. I'm already created YouTube channel profile and cover photo. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys.